Storya ng pag-ibig na wagas. Storya ng pagtataksil at pang-aahas. May ginawang panakip butas. May happy ending ang wakas. Damdaming malambot at matigas. Sa live drama, pwede nang ilabas. Tutulo na at tatagas ang mga katas ng nakalipas.
Katas ng nakalipas.
Angkol, super kaloyal and charming Dagol.
Tita, super duper, kaloyal, hot, yummy, fresh, Tanya, Chinita. Tinulungan ko po ang boyfriend kong AFAM na hanapin ang kanyang ina. Magandang umaga po sa lahat ng suking tagapakinig ng mga katas ng nakalipas. Ako po si ROWANI ng TONDO. Boyfriend ko po si Charles na half Pinoy, half American. Sundalo po ang tatay niya at ang nanay niya naman ay nalayo sa kanya dahil dinala siya sa Amerika. Lumaki po siya sa kanyang tito dahil pumanaw na rin ang kanyang tatay. At ngayon, nakabalik lang siya ng Pinas dahil naging kami po. At dito na nga nagsimula ang mga katas ng aking nakalipas. Katas ng nakalipas.
I need to boo.
Baby.
Yeah, baby.
Okay,
You
open
like
your
the
mouth.
food?
Open your mouth.
No, I'm full. I'm full.
More meat. This is your favorite steak, right?
I'm full. Oh, okay.
You're full or are you low bat?
I don't know.
I'm just joking. Charles.
Yeah.
So,
Okay,
since...
I'll eat that, okay?
Okay. Yan. Is it yummy, the steak here?
It's
Sorry,
yummy.
I can only bring you to burger steak, not the
I
original
thought it's
steak.
a pure meat, but it's burger steak.
Sorry, it's burger steak with more mushroom sauce. Sorry.
It's okay. I love mushroom sauce.
Wow, Charles.
Yeah.
Hindi mo pa ako pinapakilala. Alam mo sa English? You don't intro me to your parents, huh?
Wait, my Tito from the US is calling. Tito, I'm still having a conversation with my girlfriend, okay? So you call me later, okay? Hello? You call me later, Tito, okay? Okay, bye.
Okay.
Yeah.
So who's that Pokemon?
My Tito look like Vin Diesel.
Ooh, is it? Yeah, the...
Vin Crudo.
Vin Crudo.
Local version.
Okay, going back. Why you don't introduce me to your parents? And
You already know I don't have parents anymore.
yeah, but like let's try to find them. I can help. I have resources here in the Philippines. Who that?
It's my Tito
Who
again. I told him not to call.
Hey, Tito, stop. Stop.
Tito,
or-
wait. I'm still
Shut
having...
the F up.
Tito, you call me back, okay?
Tito, stop. Stop.
You
Stop
look like
that.
Vin Crudo, right?
Tito, stop.
Vin
The
Diesel.
sunshine in the east. Oh, no.
Tito, bye for now, okay? I'll call you later. Oh.
Hey,
Then-
Charles, baby, I will help you. I
Just talk to me Tagalog. I can understand.
Like what I've said.
Tagalog, okay? I can understand.
I can help. I have relatives from CIDG, PNP, and Manila, and DSWD.
Do I look like a kidnapper? Why are you calling
And
your...
I can help you find your parents.
No,
Your parents is the most important
Babe.
part of the day.
Baby, I already told you. More important part of the day. My parents are like vitamins, a fertilizer. I don't...
No, like me, I'm
you
your
mean?
important part of the day, right? And your parents too are your important recipe
know,
of
but
the dish.
I don't want to talk about them. Okay, my dad is...
What?
My
He's
dad
dead?
died in the battle in Iraq. He's a soldier, and my mom...
Why he didn't?
I don't want to talk about my mom.
Why he didn't like ilag in the bullets? He's so stupid.
No. Just like that?
Yeah, like that. You know, here in the Philippines, Fernando, all the bullets, even all together, he can, and Provinciano, even though he died 12 times, he's still alive.
My mom...
And Batang Quiapo, even though 13 million bullets, he's still alive.
My
What
mom,
happened to your dad?
Before he left the Philippines, my mom gave him a anting.
Oh, the
teeth of the
teeth of the lightning and
yeah,
thunder.
lightning teeth.
Oh.
And he thought that bullet will not go through, but
yes.
it's like
Where did he put it? The lightning, the pangil.
the lightning
Yeah.
in the pocket.
Oh no! That's a no. The
That's-
rule, the protocol is you have to wear it to your teeth also.
Are you to put it like a
Yeah,
jacket?
yes, like a vampire in November 1.
Oh,
You
that's
should-
why.
Yeah, that's why. I'm so
I
sorry
think he
for
thought
your dad.
he was a
Condolence.
bulletproof. Then when he went to Iraq, then the bullet just passed through.
Yes.
Just like NLEX and SLEX passed
Pass
through.
through, yeah. Just pass through. Okay, he should wear it.
No, I don't want to talk about my mother because
I'm
my
saying-
mother left me. She left me all alone.
No, your mother is sending her condolences to your dad.
I don't want to talk about my mom because she's very irresponsible. She left me.
Stop that! It's not
you
true.
know, the Tito who called me, the bald one, like
Yeah,
Vin
yeah,
Diesel, he's
yeah.
the one who took good care of me in the US.
Oh, Tito, you're so the best.
But my
You
mom,
are- you
she
should-
was never there, even my birthdays, even on Christmas
Your
days.
mom? Your mom?
Yeah.
Because he works in the day, he works in the night.
But she.
I'm so sorry. I'm gonna cry.
I already told you can talk in Tagalog. I can't understand.
Stop! I'm doing my best in all my ability.
Wait.
Wait.
Your ears are bleeding.
No, I checked my platelet. It's okay.
No,
I
don't want to
dengue.
talk about my mom. She's irresponsible.
That's bad because Ephesians said
You don't know what I feel.
you don't know to the Bible. Respect your parents and do
I
not
don't
do
care.
unto others.
I don't care. I don't care, Ronnie.
Respect your parents. In the beginning, God created.
I just don't want to talk about her. I better go.
Stop, Charles! Charles! Ayoko na lang pong patulan ang init ng ulo ni Charles. Ang gusto ko lang naman talaga mahanap yung nanay niya. Yun lang nga kasing meron siya maliban sa akin. Hanggang sa isang araw.
Baby, I'm here. I have food and
Are you okay?
I brought you something. Of course, I'm
Food.
not okay because we quarreled last
Babe,
time.
stop. Food is not important. The more important is the lesson that we have learned.
I know. Wait, why are you crying?
Because I'm touched. Where's the
Is there
tofu?
something wrong with the way I speak?
The tofu.
Oh yeah, the tofu.
The salad. Thank you so
for you.
much.
Um,
You're such a wonderful and thoughtful person.
first son. Okay, baby, I just wanna say sorry because I yelled at you last time and I should have done that.
Shh, shh, shh.
My other
Calm
Tito,
down, calm down.
my
Shh.
other Tito,
Your lips,
Jamie, he also took good care of me in the U.S. But yeah,
Sending
he called
hugs
me
to
up.
Tito Jamie.
He
Yeah.
called me up then. He
Then?
told me that I should look for my mom and
Oh,
I realized, yeah,
babe,
I was only dreaming.
babe. What?
No, I mean, yeah, I have to look for
Babe.
my mom.
Babe, I know someone who can help us.
Uh,
My brother.
Yeah?
Brother. Yeah.
Your brother?
Brother.
Where is he?
Brother! Brother Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
By the power vested in me, I am the brother and I will help you.
This is my brother Harry Potter!
But there is a budget.
You mean there is a payment?
What?
There's a payment.
No more
There's-
free today. You have to pay.
Yeah. This is...
But you can fly now, pay later.
Oh, what a
For
promo.
only 99 pesos.
Wow, Cebu pack?
And avail the promo and you'll win a vacuum cleaner. Call now and you have a free ride.
Baby, this is my brother Harry Potter. And this is my boyfriend Kuya. Can you please help him to find his
Last time
mother?
yung English ko, binasa ko lang yun sa Google. Tama na.
Kuya, hanapin natin yung mama niya.
May alam ako, magpahula tayo sa Quiapo.
Tara, Kuya, let's go! Let's go!
What are you saying, guys? I can't understand.
Let's go to the guessing game.
Yeah. Guessing game. Yeah. You're the guest, so you will guess the game. Guessing game.
Guessing game. Let's go to the Quiapo.
Okay,
Guess.
is it near or is it far?
Yeah, is it both?
What?
Yeah, we will ride a boat. May dagat ba sa Quiapo? Ba't may sakay
Yes!
na boat?
It's Rose Boulevard.
Okay.
The Dolomite.
All right.
Right.
Oh yeah. Let's go, brother.
Ni Madam Maring, parang wala ngayon. Madam Maring, asan yung mga dim lights mo? Yung mga pula-pula mong ilaw, tsaka yung background mo na pang yung pang spa na wala na yun.
Maghintay kayo.
Madam Maring, asan na yung ambience mo na maganda? Na-bankrupt ba yung ano mo?
Oo, na-bankrupt kasi. Wait lang ha. Maghintay po tayo.
Okay.
Ayan na.
So,
okay.
Babe, so this is the crib of Madam Maring. This is
Okay.
She is the most famous guessing game here in Quiapo.
Wait lang.
Madam Maring, sorry but my boyfriend is half American, half
American frog.
half American, half size. Half American, half size. American size.
American size. Oh, that's ducks. I like it. You're cute. You're small. I like it.
So, Madam Maring, where's your background. The backdrop.
Okay. Wait. Hello. I look like an alien. Onod, bokog. Bokog, onod.
Madam Maring!
Onod, bokog, bokog, onod.
Madam Maring.
Yeah. Ano yung hulaan ko? Bilisan mo.
Oh, go, babe. Say it.
Madam, I want to look for my mom if, you know, where is she? She's a Filipina and my dad was a American soldier.
Yeah, Madam Maring, so hinahanap po niya yung nanay niya dahil po iniwan po siya nung bata pa siya. Yung tatay niya po namatay sa gera po.
Okay.
Nasaan po kaya po yung nanay niya? Baka alam niyo po kung saan nagpunta.
Sandali. Hello. Onod, bokog, bokog, onod. Onod, bokog, bokog, onod. Hulaan ko sa akin, bolang kristal ang nanay mo. Ops! Ododos. Gawas din. Ani na ang nanay ni mo. Tuwa na pangita na sa ako ang bolang kristal. Tuwa na nakita na ko yung nanay. Uy! Ni aso, may usok.
May usok.
May usok.
Ala! Nasaan ang nanay niya?
Wait lang.
Nasa samgyupan po ba?
Kundi, basta umuusok. Sige, go. Hulaan nyo.
Nasa pabrika po, pabrika. Pabrika. Two words, English? English.
One word. One word.
One word, usok. Saan po? Payatas po! Payatas!
No.
Usok po,
Malapit
usok.
na dito.
Ros! Ano po sa Rotonda? Rotonda, mausok po doon!
Nandito lang.
Nandito lang.
Sirit na.
Sirit na po.
Quiapo. Nandito siya sa Quiapo.
Babe! Your mom is here in Quiapo!
What? Is it true?
It's true. I mean...
Saan po eksakto yung address? Baka pwede po ibigay nyo para mapapunta po namin sa Lala mo Bride.
Sandali. Ano yung ipag-ram nyo? Kawawa naman yung matanda. Ipag-ram nyo na baka walang hiya mo naman. Wait! Ayan na. Para mahulaan ko, kailangan dilaan ang aking bolang kristal.
Uy, huwag yung kadiri.
Dinilaan ko ba? Arte! Parang ayaw mo ng ganon.
Madam Maring, bilisan mo na!
Umuusok. Dahil nagtitinda siya ng kandila. Ayun!
Babe,
Yang matanda na sa harap. Alam ko na yan yung mama mo kasi chismosa ako eh. You go! Lapitan niyo yung matandang yan. Yan na yun.
Babe, this is the moment you've been waiting for the entire life. Are you really happy?
Is it true?
It's true.
Is that my mom?
It's true, not false.
Okay, let's
go.
Let's go.
Kandila kayo dyan. Oy, dalian nyo. Eto, 3 for 100 yan, Ineng. 3 for 100. Oy, iha, bibili ba kayo?
You talk to her.
Nay, ano po pwede pong malaman ang pangalan nyo, Nay? Hoy, hindi nga kita kilala, bakit ko sasabihin, pero ako si Norma.
Yeah.
Norma, baby, she's your mom! Ano sinasabi nyo?
May I ask if you know my dad, Tommy? Yeah, Yummy, Tommy.
Yummy hotdog, my Tommy!
Yeah.
I know him! Who are you?
I am your son. I'm Charles.
The yummiest hotdog, my Tommy!
I'm not.
Junior! Tommy Junior!
Charles! Tommy Charles!
Tommy Charles Junior!
That's me.
You're big!
I'm-
Can I check if you're legit? The size! The size!
What do you mean?
Because
Yeah, but
it's Dax. I want to know the size.
I am your son.
You're my son. Can I see the nunal?
Yeah.
At the back? Yeah. Oh my God! Yummy as hotdog, my child's tummy. You are my son. Nay, siya po yung anak niya po. Nay, pinuntahan ka namin dito dahil gusto ko niya makilala. Iniwan mo daw siya nung baby siya. Totoo po ba yun? Hindi ko siya iniwan.
What happened?
Inilayo siya sa akin ng ama niyang napakawalang hiya. Pero mahal na mahal ko yung si Yami at may Tome kahit yun ay ganoon. At mahal na mahal kita, pwedeng wag na tayo magsisyan.
I really miss you and I need a mother.
I miss you too, Charles. Charles!
Yes, Mom. You can go with me in the States. I'll bring in the America.
I don't have passport.
I'll process everything for you.
Okay. Can I have 3 ampon. Can yes?
Okay. Anything you want.
Oh my God, Nanay
I
Norma.
miss you so much, Ma. I love you. Oh, Ma.
Ay, naku, Charles. Salamat sa Diyos.